Class 10th English. Good morning. Today I am going to cover extract based questions. Before also I have given you extract based questions on this same chapter, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, but remaining extracts I am giving in this video. Number 1. As you know the question. Number 1. But then I slowly saw that not only was I free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my people. It was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self-respect and animated my life that transformed a frightened young man into a bold one, that drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, that turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home, that forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. I am no more virtuous or self-sacrificing than the next man, but I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedoms I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. Freedom is indivisible. The chains the chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. The chains on all of my people were the chains on me. Question A. Why did Mandela join the African National Congress? Answer. Mandela joined the African National Congress because he wanted to fight for the freedom of his people. Question B. Why did Mandela say that freedom was indivisible? Answer. Mandela knew that freedom is indivisible because the chains on everyone or any one of his people were chains on all of them. Question C. Find out the word in the passage with the same meaning worthy. The answer is virtuous in the passage. The word is virtuous. Question D. Which word of English can replace the word animated given in the passage without altering its sense? So the word in the passage is compelled or forced. Number 2. Extract number 2. In life, every man has twin obligations. Obligation to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, and he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country. In a civil and human society, each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclination and abilities. But in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both those obligations. In South Africa, a man of color who attempted to live as a human being was punished and isolated. So this was the extract. Now question A. What are the obligations that every man has in life? Answer. Every man has two obligations. One is to his family and second to his community and country. Question B. Why was it impossible for a colored man to discharge his obligations? Answer. In South Africa, if a colored man tried to fulfill his obligations, he was punished and isolated. Question C. Find the word in the passage which has same meaning as duty. So the word in the passage is obligation. And question 4 or D. A word synonymous with intentions is dash is in the passage is the inclination. Okay, synonymous the same meaning inclination. Number 3. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Even in the grimmest times in prison, when my comrades and I were punished to our limits, I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guards, perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. So this was the passage. Question A. How does Mandela define the brave? Mandela defines the brave as the one who has the courage to conquer fear. Question B. Which was the grimmest time for Mandela? Answer. When Mandela and his comrades were pushed to their limit behind the bars, it was the grimmest time for him. Question C. Find a word similar in meaning to victory. So word is triumph in the passage. Question D. Explain man's goodness is flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. So answer is, it means a goodness flows through the human heart constantly under compulsion. The shadow of selfishness may stop it for a while, but it can never be altogether removed. Passage or extract number 4. The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. But the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Tambos, the Walter Sisulus, the Chief Lithulis, the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fishers, the Robert Sobukways of our time, men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like life may never be known again. Perhaps it required such depths of operation to create such heights of character. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamonds. Question A. What did the policy of apartheid create? The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in the country and its people. Question B. According to Mandela, what is the greatest wealth? According to Mandela, the people of his nation are the greatest wealth, not the gems or minerals. Question C. Find out the word in the passage which means large-heartedness. So the word is generosity in the passage. Question D. Pick out the word from the passage which means to treat somebody, something cruelly and unfairly. The word in the passage is to oppress. So in this way, children, we have completed 4 extracts, remaining extracts, and questions and answers based on them. So do complete and study for the monthly test coming up in this month. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye.